morning everyone, I am Cherry Andonia and this is Marjeline. Now we are in the third steps and we put some salt in the fish so that it will not spoil and easily. We put mini salt and then we put here and then this is the
and now we put seasoning like Ajinomoto.
Pakita asin.
Dali ba?
Put there. Wala, watay kuan, apron, watay kuan.
Okay.
And then we put sa hurot.
Nauyak ko na sa mga mahandok ko.
Ako galing, ako ipunta.
And now this is the
brine salting. And now this is the
we are done.
We are done to salt
to make
and
all the
like
method.
Ajinomoto. And now we
wait
the heat of the sun so that it will
dry.
dry easily. And this is the brine salting. And now we put it under the heat of the sun. Then where's the finished product? After 3 hours, this is the finished product that we made. This is brine salting, or in Bisaya, we call this buwad.
So we're presenting again. We are presenting again to our members, Shona Faith, Cherry Ann, Marjeline, Sorban, and Stephanie.
And now this is the finished product of brine salting,
or in dialect
of Bisaya.
buwad.
We call this buwad.
Dried fish or buwad. Wait, now ang oras ang
Now
we made
this.
We
We made this in time 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. and we made this in Busay National High School in last Saturday, March 3, 2012.
We are passing
this project in tele subject to Mrs. Donoso.
So thank you. We are here to presenting. Thank you.